Today we are unpacking a gaming keyboard. It is Corsair K55 RGB Pro. And what we have got, 5 zone of RGB backlighting, macro keys with the Stream Deck. Okay, let's unpack it. Let's see how it works, how it looks. Buttons feels good. It is a mechanical keyboard. The thing which you put near keyboard, so when you are gaming or when you are typing, your wrist is not getting tired. It have got some extra buttons here on the left, and also it have got buttons to adjust audios and if you need anything for streaming. The keyboard is mechanical and it feels good when you press the buttons. Apparently I didn't press record button. I was speaking just with myself for like 5 minutes.